What is ad valorem tax and how does it work? Have you ever wondered how property taxes are determined? One key concept to understand is the ad valorem tax. This tax is based on the assessed value of property or assets. The phrase ad valorem comes from Latin and means according to value. So, the amount you pay is proportional to the value of the item being taxed, rather than being a fixed amount. When it comes to property taxes, ad valorem taxes are the most common. Each year, a local tax assessor or property appraiser evaluates the fair market value of your property. This value represents what your property would likely sell for in an open market. Several factors influence this assessed value. For instance, the condition of your property, comparable sales in your area, and any depreciation are all taken into account. Once the fair market value is established, the government applies a tax rate, often referred to as a millage rate, to calculate how much tax you owe. Let's say your property is valued at $100,000 and the tax rate is 1%. In this case, your annual tax would be $2,000. Property owners typically pay this tax every year, and the funds collected are used to support local services like schools, public safety, and infrastructure. One important aspect of ad valorem taxes is that the amount you pay can change if your property's assessed value changes. This means if your property increases or decreases in value, your tax amount will reflect that change. Unlike fixed taxes, ad valorem taxes adjust based on property wealth. Local governments, including counties, cities, and school districts, are the ones that usually impose these taxes. Property tax laws often set limits on how much can be charged, and there are procedures to adjust rates based on factors like inflation or population growth. If you think your property assessment is too high, you may have the option to appeal or protest it. This could potentially lower your tax liability. Additionally, some property owners may qualify for exemptions or deductions, such as homestead exemptions, which can reduce the taxable value of their property. In summary, ad valorem tax is a value-based tax that depends on the assessed value of your property. This system helps local governments generate revenue that corresponds to the value of real estate and personal property within their areas. Understanding how this tax works can help you manage your property taxes more effectively.